In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable read receipts in WhatsApp Web. If you want other people to see when you've read their messages, turning on read receipts is quick and simple. This setting is part of your privacy options, and once it's enabled, WhatsApp will show the familiar blue check marks after you read a message in one-on-one chats. Just keep in mind that this setting works both ways, so if you turn it on, you'll also be able to see when others have read your messages, and they'll be able to see when you've read theirs. To get started, open WhatsApp Web and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the lower area where your profile icon appears. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your account options. This is the place where you can access settings related to your account, appearance, and privacy. After that, find and click on Privacy. This section controls how your activity and personal information are shared across WhatsApp. It's where you can manage things like visibility settings and message-related preferences, so if you ever need to make additional changes later, this is a useful area to remember. Inside the privacy section, look for the option labeled Read Receipts. Once you find it, toggle it on. As soon as it's enabled, the setting is applied to your account. That means Read Receipts will now be active when you use WhatsApp Web, and your read status will be shared according to this setting. If you don't notice the change right away, give the page a moment to update. In some cases, refreshing WhatsApp Web or reopening the settings can help confirm that the toggle is switched on. Also, remember that some exceptions may apply, such as in group chats, where read information can behave a little differently from regular private conversations. And that's all it takes to enable read receipts in WhatsApp Web. It only takes a few clicks. Open your profile icon, go to Privacy and turn on Read Receipts. Once you've done that, your message read status will be active and working from your account settings.